Today new series is started. In this inshallah we will touch names of Allah with their meaning. You might have learned 99 names of Allah, but did you wonder what their meaning is? Let's take a look at their meaning now. In every video we will touch only one name inshallah. The first one is Rahman, which means the most and entirely merciful. In other words, the most gracious. You witness His mercy in everything you see. Let's reflect on the following and observe His mercy. From providing sustenance to a small sparrow, to giving knowledge to birds about how to fly. From giving sustenance to a small fish in the mouth of the large fish, without getting injured by the large carnivorous fish, to making ocean a complete habitat for the small, large, oceanic animal. From giving ability to sterile plants to catch their prey without moving from their place. To taking care of our every need without our conscious. For example, since you are watching this video, your heart is beaten more than 80 times without your realization. Furthermore, He could have created only one fruit or vegetable. It could have been enough for our survival. But no, He has created numerous of vegetables and uncountable fruits with their incredible taste. Just to satisfy our taste buds out of His mercy, He has created beautiful and magnificent voices to glamour our ear, beautiful animals and scenes for us, not to get bored in this world. Moreover, He has created eternal life to satisfy our need for eternity. Isn't this all His mercy? I ask you, brothers and sisters. Let's end the video by saying, Praise be to Allah.